Hey guys, Havasu out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. We're going to go check out a new listing. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, dual master suites. It's got lots of side parking, big backyard. We're going to go check it out for a client. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out at 2285 Interlake Drive. This was just listed a couple days ago. Nice little area, north side of town. A couple vacant lots across the street. No junk around. It's got tons of side parking. It's a nice big corner lot. Probably even park some stuff right here on the side as well. Let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, so this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, both master suites, split floor plan, rear kitchen, vaulted ceilings, 1,527 square feet. It's on a pretty big corner lot, just over 10,000 square feet. This was built in 1992. Needs a little bit of updating, maybe some paint, new fixtures maybe, kind of bring it up to date a little bit. It's got the rear kitchen. Does have natural gas, which is a huge plus out here in Havasu. So this is bedroom number 1, front of the house. Has a ceiling fan but no light. So you got bathroom number 1. Again, these are both master suites. Got a nice little walk-in closet. Let's go check out the other side. So you got the other bedroom on the other side of the house, also the door to the garage as well as the indoor laundry. So both bathrooms only have one sink. Nice big walk-in closet. Got your man door to the garage, indoor laundry, pretty decent size. Also has a stem out for gas. So this is what we would call an extra wide 2-car garage. It's 28.7 feet deep, just your standard 7-foot door. Has some built-ins. Looks like a newer water heater, RO, water softener, on natural gas. Looks like they also have a window AC back here. It's unplugged right now, don't know if it works or not. So you have this little enclosed patio off the kitchen. Call this an Arizona room. It says it's permitted. Also has stemmed out air conditioner coming out here. Has a slider out to the backyard. Let's go out and check it out. You have some pretty good lake views off the backyard here. The roof looks good. Air conditioner looks newer. They have pretty much used up every square inch of this lot. Really made the most of it. Tons of side parking back here. You can even probably build a big old RV garage back here. Got RV hookups. A little shed back here. Yeah, there's tons of room out here to do whatever you want to do. Pool, casita, RV garage. Hey guys, Havasu Lou back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walk through the house over here on Interlake. If you guys have any questions on it, or if there's anything I can help clarify, always feel free to reach out to me with any questions. I'll put all my contact information right below this video so you have it. Also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can get all the original listing pictures and all the listing details as well. So you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.